How to change presets on your Nano Cortex from within Ableton Live automatically. Try to do this in under 3 minutes here. Let's see. So you just need to get this Max for Live device from me, the Nano Cortex preset automation tool. Here you need Max for Live, which is included in the suite version of Ableton Live or can be bought as an add-on towards Ableton Live Standard. Will work in 10, 11, 12 and further releases. So you need to put this on a MIDI track. You need to connect your Nano Cortex to your computer. And then you need to make sure to send the MIDI to the Nano Cortex on this track. And now we can already see and we can access via this Max for Live device, via the dial or via buttons. You can change the presets on your Nano Cortex. Cool. So if we go into arrangement, for example, and if we quickly want to set up an automated change here, we can quickly do this. Just set some breakpoints. And then if we play this part here, whoa, nice. And then it will automatically change. If you want to dive deeper into this, I made a really long video, not really long, I made a longer video showing you how to set this up and understanding all the techniques here. Just follow the link in the video description to check it out. Take care, bye bye.